Let's have a look at the Project tab. This tab will house the project file, sequences, and bins. The project icon will tell us the name of the project. This is useful when we have multiple projects that are open. The sequence is represented with the sequence icon. Now we can have multiple sequences, and we can create them by right-clicking and adding a new sequence, or using the shortcut Control-N. There's no limit to the amount of sequences we can create. We can toggle between sequences by double-clicking on the sequence in the project pane. Bins are represented by the folder icon, and the number of items in the bin are displayed. These bins house bin items, which is our media. When a bin is selected, the bin items will be listed in the content area. Selecting the project itself will display all of the bin items within the project. By selecting a single or multiple items, you can right-click to a context menu that contains useful options. Some of these options include setting the poster frame, which can help us with clips that have slates and maybe we'd like a better representation in the bins, changing the bin item's color transformation, as well as changing the frame rate. The bin content can be viewed in multiple ways: thumbnails, list, and details. When looking at thumbnails or lists, you can use the slider to adjust the size of the content. Bin content can be sorted in a variety of ways. From the drop-down, we can sort by duration, frames per second, name, as well as other options. We can also sort from ascending into descending. The project pane can also be sorted. By default, it's alphabetical, which we can sort by ascending or descending, but we can change it to manual for a more custom layout. You can reorder the project tab and move bin items around for organization. You'll be prompted to confirm the move, noting that holding Alt while left-clicking and moving will not result in this prompt being shown. You can also filter through your media by matching any criteria. You can adjust the filtering rules to be stricter, as well as filtering flags. Lastly, you can organize your project items through colors. You can select single or multiple items and use a color picker. You can also right-click on any items and choose from the color menu.